two major website builders face off. One burning question, which one truly makes building your site easier? On one side, Jimdo, the veteran tool known for its simplicity, and on the other, Durable, the newcomer making waves with AI-powered web creation. We're testing them across real-world needs: speed, design, customization, pricing, support, and more. Forget the marketing hype. Let's break down what actually matters. Each segment scores points, so by the end, you'll see a clear winner. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Winning why in an eye. Before we dive in, here's what I'll be comparing: price, speed, and automation, how much creative control you really get, what you can actually integrate with, what kind of support you'll get when you hit a wall, and what use cases each one is actually good for. Got that? Cool. Let's get into it. Alright, let's talk price. So with Jimdo, you've got affordable plans and even a free tier, which is honestly super rare these days. But I will say, if you want fancier features, the price can creep up. Now, Durable goes for flexible monthly pricing, and there's this pay-as-you-go spend, which sounds great, except their free plan slaps AI watermarks all over your site. If you want those gone, or want more juice, premium gets a little expensive. So when you weigh all that up, Jimdo takes it for price. For real. Next up, speed and automation. Jimdo lets you set up a site pretty quick, and the whole process is guided, so you don't feel lost. But here's the thing, you actually have to write all your own content and pick your template, so it's not really hands-off magic. But step into Durable's world and, boom, it generates your full branded website in just seconds. AI writes your copy, picks your images, pretty much everything. The trade-off? You don't have super granular control, but seriously, it's wild how fast it works. So, yeah, Durable is the clear winner here for speed and automation. Design and customization is where things get interesting. Jimdo gives you nice, clean themes and a drag-and-drop editor that's super easy if you like moving things around. The flip side is, your layout options are kind of fixed, so don't expect absolute freedom. Durable, on the other hand, has AI that adapts your design based on your business type, which sounds super fancy. You get some very sleek modern layouts though. If you want to go in and manually tweak every detail, you're kind of out of luck. Brand options feel a bit limited. So honestly, both have strengths and quirks. It's a straight-up tie for design. Time for a fun fact. Did you know Jimdo actually kicked off in Germany while Durable is repping Canada? Kind of cool seeing global competition spark all this innovation. Okay, integrations. Jimdo covers the basics like e-commerce, blogging, contact forms, plus some handy SEO and analytics tools. But fair warning, some of those bonuses are only for higher paying plans. Now, Durable goes all in on the lead capture and light CRM stuff, and they do have Google Analytics support. But if you want to hook up with third-party apps or have a more techie stack, Durable can feel limiting. So, Jimdo is the win out here for integrations. Support time. Jimdo actually gives you email and live chat, plus a nice library of help docs you can dig through, though don't expect 24/7 answers. Over at Durable, they have this helpful AI onboarding, which is cool, but their actual customer support is just through email. No phone, no chat, just email. So if you need a friendly human in real time, Jimdo comes out on top. Now, use cases. This one surprised me. Jimdo is really solid for personal or small biz sites, portfolios, even little online shops. But it just doesn't focus on generating leads. Durable is basically built for those instant lead capture flows. Think agencies, consultants, freelancers who want to launch fast and start collecting those leads, like yesterday. Durable isn't super for complex online stores or bigger, more custom sites, but for fast lead gen, it's the champ. So if you're trying to get a feel for how these tools stack up overall, you'll notice Jimdo leads in price, integrations, support, but Durable destroys it in speed, automation, and lead-focused use cases. Design, they're neck and neck. If you're after a classic, affordable way to build a site for your small business or just need something personal, Jimdo is seriously hard to beat. But if you want to spin up legit lead gen sites in seconds and don't care so much about intense customization, Durable clearly wins that race. If you found this helpful, follow for more smart product comparisons because, hey, saving you time and money is what I'm here for.